In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect your Godaddy domain to Shopify. We will be doing this directly from your Shopify admin, and the process is simple once you know where each setting is located. The goal here is to begin the connection from Shopify first, so Shopify can guide you through linking your existing Godaddy domain properly. Start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. Make sure you are signed in to the correct store before you continue, especially if you manage more than one Shopify account. Once you are inside the admin area, look to the lower left corner and open Settings. Inside Settings, click on Domains. This is the section where Shopify lets you manage all of the web addresses connected to your store. If this is your first time working in this area, you may see your default Shopify domain already listed there. That is normal. Next, click Connect Existing Domain. This option is for domains that you already own through another provider, in this case, Godaddy. When the domain entry field appears, type in your Godaddy domain carefully. It is important to enter the exact domain name you want to connect, without any mistakes, because even a small typo can cause the connection to fail or point to the wrong address. After entering the domain, click Next. Shopify will then move you to the next part of the setup and show you the available connection options. At this point, choose Connect manually. This tells Shopify that you want to set up the domain connection yourself rather than using an automatic sign-in method. This manual option is useful because it gives you full control over the connection process and makes it easier to verify that the correct domain is being linked to your store. It also prepares you for the next stage where domain records are typically updated through your Godaddy account. As you go through these screens, take your time and double-check the domain you entered. Accuracy matters during domain setup, and being careful here can save you troubleshooting later. Once you have selected Connect manually, you are ready for the next part of connecting your Godaddy domain to Shopify. Up to this point, everything has been set up from within Shopify, and you have successfully started the connection process the right way. That covers everything you need to know.